Hello and welcome back to the TerraXplore DJI T100 e-learning course. This video is going to be going over basic boundary creation, just boundary creation that you can do on your controller and without physically being on the site. Let's just get right into it. So we're going to be creating a boundary for our drone to fly in, and we're also going to be making some obstacle points for it to avoid. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you're in the right mode. You see here on the top left is the mode here. If you're in manual, this won't work. You need to be in route. So to do this, you need to create a task. And to create a task, you can just hit add here. And so we can start making boundary points for our field here. I'll put down my first boundary point here. Okay, we have our first boundary point down. Then we can just go all the way over here.
Waypoint added.
You need at least 3 waypoints to make an actual task.
Waypoint added.
So here we go. Now it just looks like this, right? But then the more points we add, the more the shape will change.
Waypoint added.
And so that lets you like build it custom just for for your field.
Added. Waypoint added. Waypoint added. Waypoint added. Waypoint added. Waypoint added.
All right, there we go. So let's switch over to advanced here and do route and boundary. Perfect. So the orange lines are the boundary. The yellow lines are where it's actually going to be spraying. And then the white lines here are where it's not going to be spraying, right? So when it's just moving to the side and starting a new line, it's not going to be spraying, but the yellow is. So the route spacing, this is just going to make it so how much your drone is going to turn, right? The max you can do is 42, right? Because that's actually the maximum the drone can spray. But I would just go with 25. It's a safe bet there. And then once you're done with that, that is your field here. But let's say here in the middle we have like some trees or something, or maybe a building, a silo.
Obstacle point added.
You create obstacle points.
Obstacle point added.
In the same way you would create
obstacle point added.
The route.
Obstacle point added.
So here we go. Now you can see the drone won't come close to it. See, the white here won't even spray near it. And now it'll avoid that completely, and it automatically adjusts its route. You don't have to take control, and you don't have to use obstacle avoidance. So pros and cons of this system is, one, you can just do it in your drone controller. You can do it 100% with the satellite imagery. You don't even need to be there, and your aircraft doesn't even need to be connected. So it's really, really easy to do. The downsides of this, though, is it is just satellite imagery. So if you're doing a field you've never seen before and you just have the address and you're looking at it on satellite, maybe there's like a building there or some trees there that weren't there before. So, make sure you check your surroundings and see that your route will actually work for that you built before you're there. And then in the next video, advanced boundary creation, you'll see how if you want to make the route on site, I'll show you how to do that. But that's all for now. Thanks for watching.